I have my principal election agent, Minister of Justice, Practice, the one who processed my papers. But I made sure I could respect the process. So I came over here to honor the work that they are doing and to show that I submit myself to the constitutional process. And I've been told that my papers have gone through very well. And so far, I understand there are so many citizens who are standing for the provincial post. Some have been cleared, some are in the process of being cleared. And so far, I'm told that countrywide, the process is going very, very well. I'm happy that Zimbabwe is now a mature democracy.
Your words to the people of Zimbabwe as well now in election period.
I would like to say to them, this process is so peaceful. This is what we want. It should continue now, during the process of campaigning, during the elections, post-election. This is the peace we want as a mature democracy. Thank you.
So why you are here and your candidate, when is he coming in the country?
All right, I just wanted to confirm that we've managed to successfully file the nomination papers on behalf of our client, and thereafter we should just wait to hear from Saviour himself as to the rollout plan for his campaign, but it should be kick-started anytime soon.
And are you confident that first and foremost to be accepted, given that he has been part of the country for quite some time?
The nomination itself has been accepted. We've completed. We've filed successfully as of now.
When is he coming back?
His whereabouts, I cannot divulge, but he's going to be available to campaign for himself, because as you know, if you're a presidential candidate, you need to hit the ground running. You need to meet with your electorate and sell them your ideology, your proposals, and get them to vote for you. So he's not going to campaign outside the country. He's going to come. He's going to be around.
Are there any legal issues that probably could hinder his campaign, given that they've heard that he could be arrested for some things?
There are no legal reasons that could affect his campaign, and he is going to be campaigning.
Your full name and title, ma'am?
Jacqueline Sunday.
Sorry?
I'm the Chief Election Agent for Saviour Kasukuwere. I remain hopeful that my papers will actually serve.
What will be your message going into the future for such fees?
Actually, we have a case that was dismissed as not urgent this morning by the Constitutional Court. It is still on the roll. We will pursue that and ensure that for the future, candidate nomination fees are reasonable, are fair, are justifiable, and will allow every Zimbabwean to exercise their constitutional rights, their political rights enshrined in Section 67 of the Constitution of Zimbabwe, and will also fight the system that is discriminating against political participation of women in particular, because these candidate nomination fees are too exorbitant. A lot of women have failed even to file for MP seats because they could not afford the $1,000. So you will find that these candidate nomination fees are very discriminatory, especially to women, and it is a cause of concern, because when you look at some of the names that have been put forward by the mainstream political parties, there are very few women, which is a regression of the women's movement in Zimbabwe, and we are going to fight this until we get justice for every Zimbabwean to be able to participate in political activities as enshrined in Section 67 of the Constitution of Zimbabwe.
Justice Minister Honorable Ziyambi says that if you are a serious person and you want to run the country, you need to have that amount. He says that if you can't raise that amount, it means you will steal from the people.
The ones that are running the country actually have that amount and have been stealing from the people. So for me, that is a very idiotic statement. We should be dismissed by every right-thinking Zimbabwean. No one has got a monopoly on leadership in this country. When those very same people went to the War of Liberation, they went to fight for majority rule. They cannot discriminate us 43 years after independence and say that your pocket is the one that is supposed to determine your leadership qualities. In 1980, how many of them even had $20,000? Do they even earn that amount? Do they even earn the $1,000 that they want MP candidates to pay? MPs sitting in parliament do not even earn $1,000. It is absurd. It is just a way of discriminating the poor from participating in elections in this country and violating their constitutional rights. And that is the cause of concern, which I will continue fighting with like-minded people even after the nomination court process.
The chief election agent.
Madam, nechishona mungatiudzawo kuti maita sei nhasi.
Nhasi takwanisa tabudirira kuti tifaile nomination papers on behalf of Mr. Saviour Kasukuwere, which means that he's going to be running for president come 23rd of August 2023. Tabudirira kuti tifaile papers nomination Mr. Saviour Kasukuwere vachange vachikwikwidza ivo pasarudzo dziri kuuya dzekusarudza president musi wa23 August.
Kune nyaya dziri kubuda dzekuti vane mhosva vanogona kusakwikidza munochina
ini pari zvino handina mhosva dzandiri kuziva dzavangange vainadzo dzavangatarisana nadzo dzingavamisa kukwikwidza.
Asi ivo vari kupi izvo?
Ivo zvavo pari zvino handina kusunuka kuti nditaure kwavari, asi ndiri kuziva kuti vachange vari muno vachifamba mukati menyika ino yese vachitsvagawo kuti vanhu vavavhotere.
What made him stand?
As a citizen of the country, he's well within his right. In terms of the democratic space in our country, it allows any citizen to stand up and campaign for president. So it is well within his right, and he has decided that he wants to vie for presidency. And it is up to the citizens of this country to choose him or not to choose him.
Thank you.